Friends, today we are going to discuss one more organic problem related to organic synthesis, and this problem have been asked in CSIR net and GATE and other exams. So through mechanism we will try to find the exact products. And friends, we know that what will be formed after the reactions. So we will mention here for product. So this is your product will be formed in the last step. Okay, so we only discuss here only mechanism. Means we much more attention we will give to mechanism by which it can be converted to this one. Okay, so first of all, if you see here, this is dead. So this is triphenylphosphine. So structure of triphenylphosphine is this one. It is very bulky. Okay, so you can also write down this one. This is the aromatic, so that's why it appears that it is very bulky group. Okay, triphenylphosphine. So it is a very good living group. Okay, good living group. So it is all about PPS3 dead. Second one, it is first one. Second one is dead. What is dead? This is diaza. This is diaza. Aza means 2 nitrogen here. So 2 valence is there, so 1 is remaining. Okay, diaza ethyl dicarboxylate. Okay, so dicarboxylate, this is ethyl. Okay, this is dicarboxylate ethyl. Okay, so it is the structure of dead. Okay, so it is all about dead. The remaining is methyl iodide, so it is the next step it will use. So first of all, if you see here, if you open this one, this is open form, because when it is under reaction, suppose that reaction is carried out this RB. Okay, so in this solvent will be present. Okay, and inside this molecule will be present in open form. Okay, you can write means like this, like that one, but in the reaction medium it will be open like that. This one like that. Okay, this one we will also open this one. Okay, so it is, this is diaza. Okay, so it is all about dead open form. Okay, so after that what happened here, if you see here, triphenylphosphine, why it is added here? It is act as a base. Triphenyl, first of all, it acts as a base because it has lone pair of electron to push up this nitrogen, and this bond will shift here. Okay, and this will, so what will be the structure of that molecule after that? This is double bond. Okay, so it is your structure. After that what happened here? PPS3, since it gives the lone pair of electrons, so it will containing positive charge. Understand? So all point you should be understand. Okay, so after that what happened here? This charge then migrate in oats, means it retains own functionality means it remain as such after that. So charge will migrated, and this will comes on this charge. Okay, so after that what happened here? If you see, this is like CO this containing minus charge, this PPS3, and this is COOET. Okay, so after that what happened here, this charge, so after that what happens here, this charge will attack ROH. Okay, so ROH is where this is ROS, means in the reaction medium will be your methanol, it may be ethanol. Okay, C2H5, so it may be CS3 C2H5 OH, means ethanol will be the medium. So that's why it obtains, it attack on this hydrogen, means it abstract hydrogen, and ROS minus will be released out. Okay, so the structure should be here, it should be like that. This is PPS3 plus. Okay, here what happened, remaining is COPT. So after that what happened here, okay, so after that what happened here, this OR minus attack on this. Okay, means is stabilize this charge, stabilizing this charge, stabilizing the, so the single bond will break down and charge will be on nitrogen. So friends, we will mention here because the space is very less, so this one is like that, NH, okay, so it is minus charge will be developed here. So if you see here, after that what happened here, methyl iodide is added here, methyl iodide is present. So friends, you know that it is minus containing, is plus containing. Okay, so it will attack, sorry, this minus charge will attack on this. Okay, and the species which is released out here, which is released out PPS3, since it is released out PPS3, okay, and OR, this one. Okay, so this one is OR. Okay, so this one like that. Okay, and this one is here, if you see. Okay, so here this charge will attack on this, and this bond will be break down, means iodide will attack on this. Okay, and this bond will push here, sorry friends, we cannot, sorry, it is like that. Okay, this is your double bond NH, this is N minus, this is CO, and this is COAT. Okay, this is the remaining part which is not meaning in this stage. So this minus charge will, what happens is, this attack on methyl iodide. Okay, and this iodide, since one here, if you see, PPS3 OR bond has been released out, and it forms the PPS3 OR, PPS3 here, PPS3 OR. Okay, so in this what happened here, PPS3 OR since present here, so this one abstract alkyl part, okay, and this bond will neutralize this one, okay. So in this it acts like a nucleophile, okay, and Ri will be your products here, okay. So if you see here, so my purpose is to find this R attached to iodine, okay, means alkyl iodide you can say, okay. So if you see friends, this is your triphenylphosphine. First we described there, this is dead diazo, okay, diethyl carboxylate, and after that we open the structure and mention the ketoenol type is means tautomeric form, and after that this charge minus charge will be generated here, and if it's positive here, it acts like a base here, okay, PPS3. So after that what happen here, this minus charge abstract the hydrogen from solvent, and OR minus released out here, and after that OR attack on this PPS3, and here negative charge will be generated, okay, understand. After negative charge will be generated, it attacks on methyl, it abstract methyl iodide will be released out, and this iodide act on this which release out PPS3 OR means abstract R from here and from R iodide, and it is act as a leaving group here. So it is overall your reaction mechanism. It is very critical mechanism, okay, but simple. If you write down again you can expert in this type of mechanism, okay. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any queries regarding these reactions, please write the comments in the comment box. We will solve your problem, okay. So thank you friends.